there was, I think, a kind of judicious mix of discipline and spontaneity. We had great teachers, minus Shaughnessy, some of the others that I've spoken about earlier, right? And those teachers meshed with the students in the sense that they took the students from where the students were and moved them up the ladder to the point where they were ready for a movement into the regular curriculum. How'd they do that? They did it by, first of all, respecting the students background and respecting the students as individuals, and letting the students bring to the classroom, right, their own gifts and their own lives. And as the students did that, the teachers would then turn around and say, it's very good, but now how can we make it better? And at that point, they would make it better. They'd both worked it better, make it better by adding in the rules of grammar, right? And the rules, past participles, and all those things would have to come in, right? They basically kind of make that on the basis of the structure of the content that had already come forth from the student. How can we better kind of do this so that, or create this kind of essay so that others are going to really see, hey, that's something to look at. That's a wonderful piece of writing that you just did. Okay, how are you going to do that?